welcome to another weekly video. This is going to be probably just a big hodgepodge of more nesting, organizing, cleaning, sorting, all that kind of stuff. So hopefully you guys like that because there's probably going to be a lot of that coming up. Ignore all of the mess behind me. We've done a lot of work on the bathroom. By we, my husband. I really can't take credit because he's done all the work and worked really hard on it. And I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. It's looking amazing. Hopefully it'll be done in this video, and yeah, I'm excited. If you aren't already, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram. I post more like day-to-day life on there on stories. I don't post a lot of just like regular feed pictures, but I do post on stories quite a bit. And I've been posting a lot about like the bathroom remodel journey and all the home things that we do. So if you guys want to follow me on Instagram to keep up with that, then you totally can, and we can be friends on Instagram. Okay, his extra clothes organizers just came in the mail. So I'm gonna put those together really quick, and all his clothes are now washed and dried. So I'm gonna take these out too, and then kind of figure out how I want to set everything up and organize his drawers, and then I will show you guys what I come up with. Okay, not gonna lie, this is kind of overwhelming looking. So I just dumped all the clean clothes on this blanket, and I think I'm just gonna start by sorting them by like size and category, and then figure out what I want to like hang up and then what I want to put in the dresser. Today is the day of the dreaded glucose test, and I'm a little nervous. We're about to leave. I've heard a lot of horror stories, but I'm sure it'll be totally fine. So I will update you guys once we get there. I wish I could give you a sip.
Show me that tongue.
30 weeks. Feeling extra large. Okay, so we just got home from the glucose test, and it really was not nearly as bad as I thought it was gonna be. The drink, like, I don't know, it just kind of tasted like a Capri Sun or something. I didn't even think it tasted like a ton sweeter than like a regular like juice or something. But yeah, it made me feel a little yucky and like a little jittery, and I'm glad it's over with now. They said I should know the results like tomorrow or the first of next week, because tomorrow's Friday, so they don't get them back in time. But yeah, I actually did it a little bit later than you're supposed to. You're supposed to do it like between 26 and 28 weeks, at least at my doctor's office. And I feel like no one really realized that I hadn't done it yet at my last appointment. So they're like, oh, let's do that next time. So I'm actually 30 weeks. So yeah, anyway, I'm glad to have that crossed off the list. We're one step closer. Now we start going every 2 weeks to the OB, which is just crazy. You know you've entered full-on nesting mode when your grocery order contained furniture polish, a dusting kit, and shelf liners. Here's a little current bathroom update. I'll have to do a better one maybe tomorrow, because it's a lot's getting done tonight.
Probably nothing compared to what they did today.
Holden, you scared him.
I know.
Just cleaned up this room so good. Now there's gonna be another big mess. Are you helping? It's so cute.
It's kind of cockeyed. Did I do that?
It's so pretty. Okay, right now I'm about to attempt to clean our fireplace. It's just like really dingy and dusty, if you can see. I've tried before, but I just tried with like, I don't know, I feel like I could do better. So I have this little scrub brush and I'm gonna try to just really scrub it and see what happens. We are wanting to like paint this, or I'm like really out of breath, sorry. Or do like a plastery type, I don't know, lighten it up a little bit, because this like brown brick just doesn't really fit the vibe, and we still have stuff up there to get off. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna try to clean this.